If you like to get notifications on every new video, hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon.
Hello people, I'm back with the new video to show how to enable Hibernate option in Windows PC. Manual method. Hibernate option doesn't enable by Windows defaultly. So if you want to use this option, you need to enable it. Here I'm show the methods to enable it. First, right click on battery icon below and select power options. Navigate to choose what the power buttons do option and click it. Here, Hibernate option grayed out. To enable this, click on change settings option above. Now tick the Hibernate option. Then click on Save Changes button. Now close Power menu. And press Alt plus F4 key on keyboard to open Shutdown panel. Works fine. Now Windows is able to hibernate. Command prompt method. Go to Start and type cmd. Run command prompt as administrator. Type the command shown on screen. Then press enter. Run exit command to close command prompt. Now press Alt plus F4 on keyboard to open Shutdown panel. It works. Now, Windows able to hibernate. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a like.